Welcome back, Generation Healthy Nation. It's moving time. This is a great time to add physical activity to your day. Today we're going to learn about birds around the world. Alright, you have 10 seconds to make a choice and 20 seconds to do the matching exercise. Let's go! We have a sparrow, a parrot macaw, and a hawk. Which one would you choose? If you chose the sparrow, do some arm circles. If you chose the parrot macaw, do some cross hops. If you chose the hawk, do some twist jumps. Would you choose an ostrich, a penguin, or a robin? If you chose an ostrich, do the quad stretch. If you chose a penguin, do some toe touches. If you chose a robin, do some arm extensions. Would you choose a woodpecker, an owl, or a wren? If you chose a woodpecker, do cross heels. If you chose an owl, do some earthquake hops. If you chose a wren, do the disco dance. Would you choose a blue jay, a chicken, or a seagull? If you chose a blue jay, do the Heisman. If you chose a chicken, do some jumping jacks. If you chose a seagull, run in place. Would you choose a flamingo, a toucan, or an eagle? If you chose a flamingo, march in place. If you chose a toucan, do the circle clap. If you chose an eagle, do the shadow box. Would you choose a peacock, a cardinal, or an oriole? If you chose a peacock, hop on one foot. If you chose a cardinal, do some cross crawls. If you chose an oriole, do some ski jumps. Would you choose an emu, a falcon, or a crow? If you chose an emu, do some side hops. If you chose a falcon, do butterfly arms. If you chose a crow, do some squats. Great job, everybody. Thank you for learning about birds from around the world. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel. We have more cool videos coming to Moving Time Academy. Also, don't forget, check out our main channel for more awesome exercise breaks at Generation Healthy. Alright guys, I will see you all in the next video. Have a great healthy day.